Good morning, children. You are learning chapter 4. Today you will do classwork in the book. So open page 31. Take a pencil in your hand. Let us start. Write CW, write today's date. Number 1. Tick the correct answers. A. To start a computer, we need to first switch on the dash supply switch. Here are options given. We will have to tick the correct answer. Number 1, main switch. Number 2, CPU. Number 3, UPS. Tick on the first one, main switch. Tick on the main switch. B. Which of the following is the name for the first screen that you see on the monitor when you switch on the computer? Number 1, start. Number 2, desktop. Number 3, window. Desktop. Which of the following is the name for the first screen that you see on the monitor, that is desktop? Put a tick mark here. C. Where can the start button be seen on the screen? Number 1, top. Number 2, bottom left. Number 3, bottom right. It is bottom left, so put a tick mark here. D. What makes a computer work when electricity goes off? Number 1, CPU. Number 2, UPS. Number 3, mouse. The answer is UPS, so put a tick mark here. E. What are the small pictures on the desktop called? Number 1, desktop. Number 2, icons. Number 3, window. Answer is icons, so put a tick mark here. Number 2. Tick the correct answers and cross the wrong ones. Here we will have to tick the correct answers and you will have to cross the wrong ones. A. Computer needs electricity to work. This is correct, so put a tick mark here. B. UPS keeps our computer on when there is no electricity. Put a tick mark here. C. It is very important to properly shut down the computer. Put a tick mark here. D. Switching on the computer is called booting. Yes, it is correct. So put a tick mark here. E. Small pictures on the screen are called taskbar. No. So this is wrong. So put a cross here. Number 3. Write true or false. T for true and A for false. A. You should not cover the computer when not in use. This is wrong. So write here F. B. You should sit away from the computer monitor. Yes, it is correct. So write here T. C. You must follow the correct steps to switch off the computer. Yes, it is correct. So put it right here T. D. You can touch a computer with wet hands. No, we cannot do that. It is wrong. So write here F. E. You can use the mouse without a mouse pad. No, this is wrong. So write here F. So what we did, First one, tick the correct answers. Next one, tick the correct statement and cross the wrong ones. And third one, write true or false. Turn the page, page 32. Number 4. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. See, some words are given here. You will have to choose and you will have to fill the blanks. UPS, desktop, icons, close, switch off, power button. Number 1. A. Here ABCD is given. So A. To start the computer, first switch on the dash before the CPU. The answer is power button. POWER, power, PUTTON, power button. To start a computer, first switch on the power button before the CPU. B. The screen that appears once the computer is on is called the dash. The answer is desktop. DESKTOP, desktop. The screen that appears once the computer is on is called the desktop. C. Small pictures on the desktop are called dash. The answer is icons. Small pictures on the desktop are called icons. ICONS, icons. D. Dash the monitor by pressing the power button on it. What is the answer? Switch off. Switch off the monitor by pressing the power button on it. E. You should not directly switch off the UPS. You should not directly switch off the UPS. F. Do not sit too close to the monitor. Do not sit too dash to the monitor. The answer is close. CLOSE, close. So fill in the blanks. What we did to start the computer. First switch on the dash before the CPU. The answer is power button. Now B. The screen that appears once the computer is on is called the dash. The answer is desktop. C. Small pictures on the desktop are called dash. The answer is icons. D. Dash the monitor by pressing the power button on it. The answer is switch off. E. We should not directly switch off the dash. The answer is UPS. F. Do not sit too dash to the monitor. The answer is close. Now, here is one activity zone that we can do here now. Here are what is written. Write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the boxes to show the steps to switch off the computer in the correct order. First one is to switch off the computer. Next one is to start the computer. First one we will do. This is first one. Number 1. Write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the boxes to show the steps to switch off the computer in the correct order. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps are given here. You can write down or you can write only numbers also. Number 1 is write here start button. First we'll have to click on the start button. Number 2, shutdown button. Here we'll have to click, the second one is to click the shutdown button. Third, what we'll have to do? Switch off the monitor. Fourth, switch off the UPS button. And fifth, switch off the main power switch. First, we should click on the start button. Second, we should click on the shutdown button. Third, we should switch off the monitor. Fourth, we should switch off the UPS switch or button. And fifth, we should switch off the main power switch or button. Number 2. Number the pictures to indicate the correct order of steps for starting a computer. Also color them. This one you can do at home, but the steps you can write now. You can give the numbers or you can write also. First one, See 1, 2, 3 and in this page 4, 5. 5 pictures are given here. You will have to do the numbering and you can write down also or you can give the numbering also. First one is main power supply switch. We will have to switch on the main power supply switch. Second one is switch on the UPS. Second one is switch on the UPS. Third one is switch on the system cabinet or CPU. Fourth one is switch on the monitor. And fifth one is the computer is ready to work. So children, you learned today. We did the classwork in the book 31 and 32 page. So learn the spellings. Till then, bye bye.